Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 18th, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is going to make a higher low, and I still think this is going to go up. I think it is like an expanding flat or possibly a running flat. Either scenario, I do think it's either going to go up and take out these highs, or if it's a running flat, it definitely could make a lower high and turn it to 100%. But either way, I do think it is going to make another move to the upside. Heading down to the weekly time frame is where you can kind of break it down a little bit. I think this is a 1. I think this is a running flat wave 2. I think this is a 1 of 3. I think this is a 2 of 3. And I think it is going to go up and make a 3 of 3, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking a look at it on the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, I do think this is very likely an uptrend for a wave 1. I think this is very likely an ABC correction for a wave 2. Now, to me, it looks like it needs to make at least one more push down, probably like this. And if it continues to respect the fib level, goes up and breaks structure, that's what's going to turn me into a long-term buyer. As of now, I am definitely still a seller, and if it just keeps on going down, then I'll just keep on looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, even though this one already has 3 waves up, I do think this is only a wave A because of correlated pairs. I think that it probably is going to go down, but it's going to be a correction, and then I think it's going to go up for a wave C. Then I think it's going to go down, and we're going to have to keep an eye to see whether it respects the fib level, goes up and breaks structure, or whether it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, and just keeps on trending down. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this pound dollar definitely does have 1, 2, 3 waves up, but that is because of the pound. If you actually look at the correlated pairs, especially the dollar index and the euro dollar, they both look like they're only in a wave A, which tells me that when this turns down, it's probably not going to be the continuation of the downtrend. It's probably just going to be a wave B, and then I think it's going to work its way back up for a wave C before it really does end up continuing the downtrend. So I'm personally still looking for longs. I think you could still trade it up to the 38%. But if you are like me, which is more like a day/swing trader, trading a little bit of a higher time frame, then you could definitely be patiently waiting for the sorting opportunity for the continuation of what is most likely a wave 2, probably a wave C of wave 2 on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to my swing trade setups by signing up on my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.